So we're grilling meatballs, Italian meatballs, to eat with tomato sugo and pulse pasta. Beautiful evening with socks. We've got our pulse pasta cooking, almost done, and our meatballs in sugo. Wow, what have we got here?
Finally food. We've got a nice salad with tomatoes, cucumber, some nice sprouts. I think it's broccoli sprouts and some other sprouts, and some other salad.
And this is our vacation for dinner. So what's that like?
The meatball, really good, so tasty, smoky flavour.